What's up, guys? Anthony here, Special Analysis. Hope you're having a wonderful day. I want to talk about the SPY, give you a quick update here. We've talked about this setup here for a little while now. This is probably my third or fourth video. Just kind of want to reinforce what's happening, what's transpiring. The market is still pushing higher off of the level that we identified by employing the Hawkeye steps to approaching the market, right? Markets are driven by volume. Volume is reactive and produced into price action, and then price action ultimately reacts to support and resistance. So here's what transpired. We had a nice trend. We had some congestion. We popped again into that trend. We fell into congestion a little bit deeper. Now, how do we know we're in congestion? Notice how as the market was really kind of trending higher, price action stayed above these dots. These are our trend dots. So when price action is above our trend dots, there's a good implication to say, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Trader, the market is in a trend, right? When it enters congestion, notice how the dots kind of infiltrate the price action. So as the market started to soften, we entered this period of congestion, and the dots kind of fell in. Now, we never lost the trend. You can see the heat map here on the bottom stayed bright green, and you could even see the majority of the volume here was consistent buying volume, so that we knew there was still buying interest present in this market. Well, guess what happened? We had a trend exit, we had a congestion exit right here on this bar. I'll make this arrow white so you can see it right there. So this bar right here, this candle, exited congestion. We had a little interior correction here. This correction got broken here on this candle. So you could have, if you were very aggressive, you could have considered an entry here. But if you wanted confirmation, this is the candle right here that offered, I'll put this down here so you can see it a little clearly. This is the candle that exited congestion, right? And what did it exit congestion with? Rising buying volume. So you can see the bottom, some selling came in, some neutral volume, some more selling, buying popped in on that break of that interior correction. And then on the break of the correction period itself, the volume continued to increase. And then you can see the volume just kept going higher, higher, higher. Price kept going higher, higher, higher. We took a little break here, but the buying is still present, and we are making all-time new highs. Now, if you go back to my very first video about the SPY, discussing this price action and this breakout, I talked about starting to take profit at 470 as my first target would be somewhere in the neighborhood of 474 to 475. Well, you can see currently we're above 474, but the high of this candle today went to 474.48. So right in that heart of where I had mentioned, hey, there's a pretty good chance that with this breakout, we're going to run to 474, 475. Again, you can refer to the prior video. That was my statement. And my statement after that was you probably want to start taking profit at 470. And if you notice at 470, the market got a little bit dicey here, right? The market just kind of popped and then pulled back and then popped. A little bit of indecision right here around 470. That's why I said 470 is probably the area to start taking profit. Now, I shot an additional video confirming that and reiterating that as well. But guys, if you understand price action and you pair that with the understanding of volume and tools that are volume-based, you can swing trade, position trade, even day trade with the Hawkeye tools. Hawkeye tools work on TradingView, TradeStation, NinjaTrader, and MetaTrader. So it doesn't matter what platform that you want. It doesn't matter if you're trading stocks, futures, Forex, or crypto. Doesn't matter if you're trading them aggressively on a tick chart or you're looking at a daily and weekly chart or even a monthly chart. These tools can be applied to any time frame on any chart that prints on any of those platforms. So if you want to learn more about the Hawkeye tools, I encourage you below this video. There's a bunch of links. Consume the content, send me an email. I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that you have, and we can get these Hawkeye tools in your hands within the same day. So, guys, if you're a swing trader, day trader, whatever you may be, these tools are going to help you better read the market especially on a daily chart, a weekly chart, a monthly chart. If you're looking for bigger picture moves just like this and to understand what price action is doing, we include the Hawkeye University with the purchase of the tools. And the Hawkeye University is going to teach you about volume. It's going to teach you about price action. It's going to teach you about support and resistance. It's going to teach you how to put all those components together, paired with the indicators, so that you can have an optimal experience. And again, all those platforms, all those assets, these tools can be applied to. So with that, guys, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. Again, I encourage you, consume the content below this video. Send me an email. I will answer any and all questions that you may have. I can get you in touch with my Hawkeye Concierge team. They will also do the same for you, and we can get you set up and running in a short period of time. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.